Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. I've got a brand new set of soft compound tires from SEAT. I wouldn't consider that as interruption at all. It's a very good start to the video. I'll be riding to Nandi Hills, and then I thought I'll ride with my super subscribers over here. Yes. So with that, let's start the ride to Nandi Hills. And I have ridden with these tires already for last 500 kilometers, and I was testing it out to see the grip of it. These are called SEAT Zoom Rad X1. This was launched in IBW 5 2017 by Freddie Spencer. Bangalore rocks, dude, and it's so cold and foggy already, as you can see here. And this is where I thought I'll show off the new tires that I've got on my bike, and people already love it. Bikers always find the smallest of reasons to just get out and ride their bike. So this time my reason is to ride Mojo on brand new tires and meet my followers and enjoy the time with them. And Nandi Hills is one of the famous destinations here in Bangalore, and you'll certainly see that excitement when we reach the top. So what I've observed on these tires is that, no matter what speed you're doing, you have full control because it is soft compound tire, so it sticks to the ground like crazy. And the side walls of the tire are really strong and really heavy, making it very hard to puncture on the side. They have 210 speed rating, and it is one of the only Indian manufacturer to do that. It comes for Mojo, Dominar, R15, Duke. So all these bikes, performance bikes, where tires are really required to be grippy and wide, these tires do that exact job. I just need to take this to the Nandi Hills corner and show you how grippy the tires are. I feel like I just have an army of people coming behind me, dude. And I would want to ride like this with every other subscriber in every other state, I'll tell you. Look at the hills over there. It's been almost a year, guys, that I've come to this location. And last year I was really busy touring, and I'll be starting again this year in a couple of weeks maybe. And then I'll be going to new places again. Yeah, this is where exactly I wanted to test out these radial soft compound tires. And they have put brand new barricades, brand new roads. It feels so good to go left and right here. And the front wheel is gripping like crazy, man. Wow, that is why I love soft compound tires. The medium compound and hard compound, you won't get this fun. See there? Famous Nandi Hills curve. Oh, that was superb. That was good. Oh, that was good. The Bangalorean in me is enjoying these curves. No matter how many times you come to this place, man, it's always fun. And this is the final curve. Look at the tires here. I've gone till here. See this? Wow. That is how much turning I was doing on these tires. So this is where I wanted to have breakfast with my subscribers. Everyone is here already. The way you ride SR is really fun, dude. So this is where it is at Nandi Upachar. We had a fantastic breakfast, and all these bikes, the bikes of my subscribers. Really had a very good time with these people, and Nandi Hills fun was even more better. This is, I guess, the 30th time or something that I'm coming here, but still it has been the most unique experience, and thanks to each and every one of them first come. The tires was good, even the company was really good. and the breakfast was also good, right? And I hope to meet all these people again. Thanks a lot, BBB squad. See you again soon.